What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this video is going to be on some new training that I'm adding to Team DeAngelo Level 2. So, this is going to be on how you basically can see results the same exact day with CPA marketing, right? And you don't have to worry about your accounts getting shut down or anything along those lines. It's actually really simple. Now, well, there's two ways of doing this. You can go the super affiliate route, or you can go the regular affiliate route, right? So the super affiliate route is basically where you have to have, like like 15 to like 20,000, right? That's just what I would recommend. It depends on which network and stuff like that. Some you'll need more, some you'll need less, or whatever. But basically, what you are going to do is set up your own offer, right? So you're gonna have to get landing pages, follow up series. Then you're gonna have to test and 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 test some more. Then you're gonna have to get, just like I said, there's just a whole bunch of stuff. You got developer costs. You just got a bunch of stuff that you have to do when you go this route. So basically, in a nutshell, what you're going to be doing is trying to get a CPA offer up and running to put on a CPA network, so then other affiliates can go out and promote it. Now, you can't just take an offer, so a lot of these networks that's not yours and just put it up there, right? It can be a combination of other people's stuff or whatever, but for the most part, a lot of them will not let you just simply go. And let's say you got an offer on Neverblue, and then you try to go put it on Purefly, and it's like literally the same offer that they already have or something like that. They're not going to let you do that, right? So it can be like your landing page, then like something of yours, then like upsell, upsell, downsell, whatever, whatever, right? It has to be like something that's yours, versus you just again trying to take a offer from Neverblue and literally just trying to put it on, Purefly or Cash Network or something like that. It's just not going to work that way, right? So that's like the super affiliate route. Again, take some time for that. It's gonna literally take about a good month, 2 months, to get all the data, get everything up and running, depending on your developers you go to. Like I said, there's a whole bunch of stuff, but then you don't have to worry about traffic, right? So once you got all your numbers and everything go, then let's say you got your numbers, and like every dollar you spend, you get like $20 back in like 2 months or something like that, right? That's not bad. That's going to be pretty decent. So you can pay out like $1 per the lead, and then like literally in 2 months, overall in 2 months or whatever, your return on investment is $20. So you have to actually have that data. You have to have those numbers. You got to have everything set up before you actually can go to the CPA network with this information here. All right, so you guys can see why I actually haven't really talked about that side of it, because I mean that's a lot of work to do all of that stuff, right? Now the super easy way is pretty much the same thing, except you're going to go to low quality CPA networks. Now, when it comes to the low quality CPA networks, you are going to have to use a landing page. You do not want a direct link when it comes to low quality, places, because again, it's just not going to work out for you at all. You're going to get your account shut down, because when you go to these low quality networks, basically what happens is you got low quality affiliates, right? So you're gonna have all these affiliates who have no idea what the hell they're doing, just promoting your stuff. So let's say they actually go to Craigslist and like literally take the link and put it directly on Craigslist. If that's your offer, so let's say you're running an offer, that it doesn't allow Craigslist traffic, and then they take your offer and literally put it on Craigslist, you are going to be blamed for that. So then that's going to result in your account getting shut down. So you want to always use a landing page on the low quality networks here. All right. So yeah, so once they go, again, they're gonna be promoting your stuff, and it's like pretty much guaranteed money though. So that's like the best part about it. It's because one, you don't have to go out and worry about your accounts getting shut down. You don't have to go out and do all this extras fighting the system and all of that. So it's just a huge pain in the ass to fight the system and stuff. So with this here, you can have the other people go out and fight the system, and you don't even have to worry about any of that, right? So you can go to the low quality networks again. You'll have people to have people promote it, and then as long as you got your landing page in there, you should be pretty much good to go. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Like literally, you guys can go to a low quality network, set this up, and start running some traffic to it and test some stuff out for yourself right now. Like I mean, you can literally do that. Now, the budget for the low quality ones is around 1,500. And that's if you run like the bare minimum per day or whatever. Or I think it's like for a lot of them, like the minimum deposit is like $100 or $50 or something like that. So 50 to $100 is like the minimum. So if you want to have like a month's like earnings or whatnot, you would need like 1,500 to like 3,000 dollars or whatever. So it's an easy method, and you don't have to worry about anything or whatever. And it's pretty much damn near guaranteed, profit once you exit out these bad affiliates here, right? So that's the one thing. Again, you're gonna have to weed out the bad affiliates, and you gotta do the same thing with the big ones here, whatever. It's just less likely because let's say you send over 100 affiliates, and that you just paid this affiliate $100, right? And let's say on the upsell you normally make like right after the lead or whatever, you're on average making like $75 up front, and then over the next like 2 months, that's when you make the $20 or whatever extra for each dollar you pay out or something like that, right? Then like you didn't make that at all. So they sent over 100 leads and they didn't make like $1 from it, like no upsell, nothing at all. So they're gonna assume that all your leads were fake or whatever the case may be. And then you'll assume that the affiliate who's sending you traffic leads are fake, and then you would just cut them off the offer, and then they can't run it anymore. All right, so that's pretty much how this goes. Again, you got to have a budget for this, and you do have to like actually know how to like track and do all of that stuff. That's why I'm not putting this in the level 1 training. I actually was going to charge for this, and I was like, no, I'm just going to add it to the Team DeAngelo level 2 training or whatnot. So it's 100% free for my level 2 members or whatever. But yeah, like I said, it's pretty difficult, it really is. So this one is the first course that's going to be added, because this one is super easy right here. It's like stupid easy for that one. This one here, I'm going to have to probably put together in like 2 or 3 weeks or whatnot, because there is a lot of steps and stuff that go to this, with this one here. Like I said, there's just so much stuff when it goes to this one right here or whatnot. But I'll let you guys know about this one over here. As I said, it's a whole bunch of work for that. But this one here, stupid easy. Literally, all you gotta have is at least $1,500. You could probably even get away with like 500, depending on which network you go to. This isn't like 100% like, oh, you have to have 1,500. Like, I mean, it really just depends on where you're promoting at and what you already have. Like if you don't have tracking software, there is no point in doing this. I'm just be for real with you, right? If you don't know how to track, if you don't know how to use tokens, and you don't have a developer to like put all this stuff together for you, there is no point in even attempting to do this, because you will lose money. Just keeping it 100. But that's pretty much it, guys. Super easy stuff here. This whole like actual doing it at the whiteboard, we're actually on the site and stuff like that, is going to be in Team DeAngelo level 2 tomorrow sometimes, because I have to go and basically I was going to have it as its own course, and I was going to sell it as its own course or whatnot, but decided to give it to my level 2 members. So now I have to take all the videos and then put them into the level 2 category or whatever, and I got some stuff to do today. So it'll either be in there later tonight or tomorrow morning. But that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you got any questions, simply drop them down below.